What's going on, AI pros? Michael here with Digital Playbook, and today we're going to be talking about the easiest way to start earning $1,000 a day online with AI and GPT. Now, if you're a complete beginner, you're in the right place. I'm going to be walking you through step by step of how to get started. I'm also going to be giving away a bunch of stuff like this Google Sheet that has, of course, it has a list of 130 AI tools you can get paid to promote, done for you emails, done for you short form content, images, another checklist, and a bunch of really cool stuff. Now, if you want everything, just go ahead and subscribe, leave a like, and then comment AI, and I will send everything to you right now. So hopping into the video, first thing you want to do is go ahead and go over to digitalplaybook.com, put in your information, and then you will get taken to a page where you can get a 30-day free trial of a tool called Go High Level. Now, also, quick plug, join the Discord, easiest way to get in contact with me. But let's go ahead, and you're going to want to sign up for this tool, because this tool is going to allow you to upload or import a snapshot. And what a snapshot is that's going to give you all my email automations, all my funnels, and basically make everything super easy for you guys since you are starting off as beginners. Once you get this tool, you're going to be taken to a screen that looks like this, and this is going to be called your account. And on the left hand side, we're going to be focused on these three things, which is sites, automation, and then marketing. The first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to go back to the Digital Playbook, and you're going to import a snapshot. And once you do, like I said, everything is going to be taken into your account. Now, if you want a more step-by-step of how to do this, just go ahead and get the free course. I'm able to walk you through this with a little bit more detail. Going back over to your account, the next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to pick a tool that you can start creating content around and promoting. For this case, let's go ahead and talk about Leonardo.ai. All the ones over here in the top picks are what I recommend, but also you can see we have different AI writing tools, video tools, CRMs, a bunch of really cool tools. So most of the time, these softwares, if you scroll down, you can sign up to become an affiliate, where in this case, you will receive 25% commission. So once you sign up, you will get a link that looks something like this. And you're going to want to hang on to that, because we need to be able to create some sort of funnel to get people's emails and names so you can start marketing to them. So this is just an example funnel that you're going to be able to get. And what it is pretty simple. There's three main parts to the funnel. Title, we'll say the last image generator you're going to need, a little quick long form video kind of going in depth explaining it more, since a lot of the traffic is going to be coming from your short form content, and then a button which takes them to an opt-in so you can get their email addresses. Now, once you do get their email, you are going to want to have them in some sort of automation. Now, this automation that you're going to be getting has, I want to say, like 60 plus emails that go out over the course of like 70 to like, I think 73 days, that's going to have your affiliate link in them. Now, let's just kind of show you. So what this is right here is a link that's going to be linking to whatever tool you're promoting. Not a good example. Let's find one. What I want to show you guys is a custom value, because, okay, so this is a custom value. If we didn't have this here, you guys would have to go through and upload your affiliate link into every single one of these emails. But what this is going to allow you to do is just go back over to settings. We're going to go to custom values, and then you're going to want to create a custom value to where every time there's a hyperlink in there, you'll just post your affiliate link, and that's what it's going to link out to when someone clicks it. So I'm not going to do that because I already have one. Boom. I bought that domain. Same thing. If you guys don't have a domain, you'll just put your link in there. So we have the back end up. We have the back end all set up now. Now it's time for you guys to start creating or replicate content. I'm saying replicate because I give you a list of done for you videos that you're able to just click on, down, and then upload them into your marketing. So what I have here is I already have some videos scheduled out, but what you would do is take that downloaded video. Here it is. You would take this downloaded video and then you would upload it to something like CapCut, maybe to add some overlay or just to change it up a little bit so it doesn't get hit with like duplicate content. And what you would do is you would just do this with all these videos made to get engagement and comments so you can start getting views, because the more views you get, the more traffic, and that's going to get more opt-ins to your affiliate link. Now also, you can also just create this stuff on your own, but a lot of you I know are just getting started and don't want to be on camera. So that's why my team has gone through and just made a lot of these videos that you can go ahead and download and start building an audience. Once you have a couple videos downloaded, you want to go back over to your account and then go to marketing, and this is the social planner, which allows you to schedule out content for however long you want. What I recommend is connecting all your social media accounts and then uploading a month's worth of content. Right now my team needs to go in and upload more content, but I would just take a Sunday or take a day where you just spend uploading a bunch of content, which is going to help you take action. Because the easiest or the best time to start creating content was yesterday. The next best time is today. So what's holding everyone back is just taking action. And what I'm hoping to do is giving you guys a lot of the resources that you need to get started, as well as access to me. Any questions, comments, concerns? Let me know in the comments below. Also, if you want to join the Discord, that's the easiest way to get a hold of me. But that's it for this one, AI Pros. I will see you in the next one.